Thanks for watching. I'm Prerna Agarwal, Technical Product Owner for The Guardian. Today, we'll be giving you Guardian update of Sprint 77 that lasted from October 28th to November 8th. So just a quick overview of the agenda. We'll be looking at the roadmap. We'll also be talking about the issues that we tackled in Sprint 77. Then we'll be flipping over and giving you a short demo on Sprint 77. Then we'll also be talking about the issues that we'll be tackling in Sprint 78. Then we'll be talking about the upcoming releases. And we'll also be giving you some of the ways that you can either submit bugs or policy requests through various different channels. So talking about Guardian roadmap, we are working on trust chain support for contract-based issuance and retirement implementation. We are also working on the Guardian analytics, labels, and top-down data waypoints. And we are reviewing and verifying our ACMAP policy. And we'll be starting working on the formula-driven definitions and schema tree enhancements. Talking about Sprint 77, so in Sprint 77, we committed to 31 story points and we delivered 31 story points, which includes 2986, which is calculation logic for values in automatic fields in schemas, and also 3709, which is Climate Action Reserve's U.S. Landfill Protocol methodology. Let's look at Sprint 77 demo. Only one ticket what we'll be looking at today is 3709, which is Climate Action Reserve's U.S. Landfill Protocol. It is developed by the Climate Action Reserve, which is CAR. The U.S. Landfill Protocol facilitates the quantification, monitoring, reporting, and verification of greenhouse gas emission reductions associated with the collection and destruction of the landfill gas at eligible U.S. landfills. This protocol supports projects that capture and destroy methane emissions, leading to significant environmental benefits and the generation of carbon offset credits. Additionally, this methodology will be designed and digitized to create digital assets that quantify emissions reduction and environmental benefits, enabling more efficient project workflows and transparent reporting for landfill operations. So in order to solve this, what we have done is we have developed the Climate Action Reserve U.S. Landfill Protocol, and we have documented the step-by-step process in our documentation. If you go to our docs.hedera.com and under demo guide, under carbon emissions, you should be able to see that policy. To get more information, you can also go to our GitHub repo. In there, under methodology library, under GHG methodology, we have US landfill, where you would actually see all the JSON files as well, just to test this with the real data. And then you have the Excel, which is a schema of that particular methodology. You have a policy file, which is .policy. You can just import this policy into Guardian, and then you can execute it in the dry run or in the real publishing mode. And in addition to that, we also have the README file where you can actually see a step-by-step process, the methodology workflow, and the IPFS timestamp. We also have a demo video for this, where you can get more information in detail about this methodology. So that was a demo on Sprint 77. Looking ahead of Sprint 78, currently we are committing to 54 story points. Sprint 78 would be lasting from November 11th to November 22nd, and in which we are working on 2243, which is trust chain support for contract-based issuance and retirement implementation. We are also working on 4364, which is attaching reference to PDD via programmatically built monitoring report. And we are also working on 4322, which is Guardian Analytics, labels, and top-down data waypoints. Talking about our releases, our last release was on Thursday, October 31st, 2024. Our next release will be on Friday, January 31st, 2025. So our last release was Guardian 3.0, which was a major release. So if you want to have a look, please go to our GitHub repo, and you would see all the release reports underneath the releases section. So there are multiple ways to reach out to us. You can just reach out to us on GitHub. You can submit policy requests, enhancements, or if you find some bugs, please go ahead and submit those bugs with us so that we can get our team on it. Also, if you haven't joined our Discord, please join our conversation at hedera.com/Discord. And when you get the search for sustainability channel, or feel free to reach out to us directly if you have any policy request by emailing us at info@envisionblockchain.com or directly through our website, which is www.envisionblockchain.com. Thank you. Have a great day.